Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 6. We are presenting about multinational logistic company in Philippines, and we choose to go express as the title of our discussion today. Before that, let me introduce myself and my partner. My name is Nisa Asisifa as a moderator and the first speaker. My partner is Doiri Mulyadi as the second speaker, Raudatul Jannah as the third speaker, Putri Ratnasari as the fourth speaker, and Rifka Rahayu as the fifth speaker. The topic of our discussion: first, profile To Go Express; second, vision and mission; third, service of To Go Express; fourth, coverage of To Go Express; 5. Service awards; 6. Activities of To Go Express; 7. Why To Go Express; 8. Asset of To Go Express; 9. Networking of To Go Express. Service of To Go Express. To Go Express is a logistic and courier service company in the Philippines. It is a subsidiary of To Go Group Inc., a major transportation and logistic provider in the country. Here there are some the service of To Go Express. First, domestic and international couriers. To Go Express offer door-to-door courier service for both domestic and international shipment. Second, cargo and freight forwarding. The company provides cargo and freight forwarding services for both air and sea transportation. Third, warehousing and storage. To Go Express may offer warehousing and storage solution for business that require temporary or long-term storage of their goods. Fourth, e-commerce logistics. With the growth of e-commerce in the Philippines, To Go Express offer logistic solution tailored for online sellers and e-commerce platform. Layanan dari To Go Express. To Go Express adalah perusahaan logistik dan layanan kurir di Filipina. Ini adalah anak perusahaan dari To Go Group Inc., penyedia transportasi dan logistik utama di negara ini. Berikut ini adalah beberapa layanan dari To Go Express. Yang pertama, kurir domestik dan internasional. To Go Express menawarkan layanan kurir dari pintu ke pintu untuk pengiriman domestik dan internasional. Yang kedua, pengiriman kargo dan barang. Perusahaan ini menyediakan layanan pengiriman kargo dan pengiriman barang untuk transportasi udara dan laut. 3. Pergudangan dan penyimpanan. To Go Express dapat menawarkan solusi pergudangan dan penyimpanan untuk bisnis yang membutuhkan penyimpanan sementara atau jangka panjang untuk barang-barang mereka. 4. Logistik e-commerce. Dengan pertumbuhan e-commerce di Filipina, To Go Express menawarkan solusi logistik yang disesuaikan untuk penjual online dan platform e-commerce. Coverage. To Go Express has an extensive network of branches and partners throughout the Philippines. They provide services across major cities and towns nationwide, making it convenient for customers to send and receive shipment within the country. Cakupan To Go Express memiliki jaringan cabang dan mitra yang luas di seluruh Filipina. Mereka menyediakan layanan di kota-kota besar dan kecil di seluruh negeri, sehingga memudahkan pelanggan untuk mengirim dan menerima pengiriman di dalam negeri.
To Go Express is a leading logistic and courier service provider in the Philippines. It is a subsidiary of To Go Group Inc., a major transportation and logistic company in the country. Here is a profile of To Go Express based on my knowledge up until September 2021. Company name or To Go Express, parent company To Go Group Inc., founded 1949. Headquarter is Pasay City, Metro Manila, Philippines. Website To Go www.togo.com Philippines or Express.
To Go Express adalah penyedia layanan logistik dan kurir terbuka di Filipina. Nama perusahaan yaitu To Go Express, didirikan pada tahun 1949. Di kantor pusatnya adalah di kota Pasay, Metro Manila, Filipina. Dan situs webnya adalah www.togo.com Philippines atau Express.
Vision To Go Express. Tugo Express envision Tugo our client want Tugo as their first choice for logistics in the Philippines. And then we see Tugo Express the first in integrating our capabilities and expertise across the group. Tugo Express make it our everyday mission to deliver good on time, consistently, in the best condition, and to transport our passenger reliably, comfortably, safely. And second, in serving our client, Tugo Express here to deliver a competitive return for our shareholder and uphold the highest standard of corporate governance. Tugo Express make it a practice to look after the welfare of our employees and create a fulfilling environment of growth and shared achievement. And 3. Moreover, our objective is to yield mutually beneficial long-term partnership with our service providers. At Tugo, it is our goal to be responsible corporate citizen, looking after the environment and the community.
Service offered. 1. Courier service. Tugo Express offers domestic and international courier service for document, parcels, and package. Number 2. Cargo and freight forwarding. The company provides cargo and freight forwarding service for air and transportation sea. 3. Warehousing and storage. Tugo Express offers warehousing and storage solution for business that require temporary or long-term storage of their goods. And 4. E-commerce logistics. Recognizing the growth of e-commerce, Tugo Express provide tailored logistic solution for online sellers and e-commerce. Layanan kargo yang ditawarkan oleh Tugo Express adalah diantaranya yang pertama, layanan kurir. Tugo Express menawarkan layanan kurir domestik dan internasional untuk pengiriman dokumen, paket, dan parcel. Yang kedua, kargo dan pengiriman barang. Perusahaan ini menyediakan layanan pengiriman kargo dan pengiriman barang untuk udara dan transportasi laut. Yang ketiga, yaitu pergudangan dan penyimpanan. Tugo Express menawarkan solusi pergudangan dan penyimpanan untuk bisnis yang membutuhkan penyimpanan sementara atau jangka panjang untuk barang-barang mereka. Dan yang terakhir, yang keempat, yaitu logistik e-commerce. Menyadari pertumbuhan e-commerce, Tugo Express menyediakan solusi logistik yang disesuaikan untuk penjual online dan platform e-commerce. Next, activities of Tugo Express. The logistic activities of Tugo Express encompass a range of services aimed at facilitating the movement and delivery of goods within the Philippines and internationally. Some of the key logistic activities offered by Tugo Express include 1. Domestic and international carrier service. 2. Cargo and freight forwarding. 3. Warehousing and storage solution. And last, 4. E-commerce logistic. Selanjutnya adalah kegiatan Tugo Express. Kegiatan logistik Tugo Express mencakup berbagai layanan yang bertujuan untuk memfasilitasi pergerakan pengiriman barang di Filipina dan internasional. Beberapa aktivitas logistik utama yang ditawarkan oleh Tugo Express meliputi yang pertama, layanan kurir domestik dan internasional. Yang kedua, pengiriman kargo dan barang. Yang ketiga, solusi pergudangan dan penyimpanan. Dan yang terakhir, yang keempat, yaitu logistik e-commerce.
The next slide is why Tugo. Tugo Group Inc. is the Philippines' largest integrated transportation and logistic provider. At its core has 5 business units, namely Tugo Sales Solution, Tugo Special Container, Tugo Logistic, Tugo Distribution, and Tugo Express. Tugo is subsidiary of SM Investment Corporation, one of the largest conglomerates in the country. It offers multimodal transportation, warehousing, and inventory management, distribution, special containers, and project logistics, as well as e-commerce logistics, including last-mile deliveries and express courier deliveries. Tugo also provides shared travel and a wide range of peripheral logistics such as freight forwarding, import and export processing, and custom brokerage. Our company leverages on all our services to create unique supply chain solutions for our chosen target customer. Backed by 148 years of expertise in transportation and logistics, Tugo has made a mark for providing the best travel experience, efficient movement of product and cargoes, and for catalyzing business growth in domestic and international markets. Jadi, Tugo Group Inc. adalah penyedia transportasi dan logistik terintegrasi terbesar di Filipina. Pada intinya, perusahaan ini memiliki 5 unit bisnis, yaitu Tugo Sea Solution, Tugo Special Containers, Tugo Logistik, Tugo Distribution, dan Tugo Express. Tugo merupakan anak perusahaan SM Investment Corporation, salah satu konglomerat terbesar di negara ini. Dia menawarkan transportasi multimoda, pergudangan dan manajemen inventaris, distribusi, wadah khusus, dan logistik proyek serta logistik e-niaga, termasuk pengiriman jarak jauh dan pengiriman kurir ekspres. Tugo juga menyediakan perjalanan laut dan berbagai logistik peripheral seperti pengiriman barang, pemrosesan impor dan ekspor, dan perantara pabean. Perusahaan ini memanfaatkan semua layanan untuk menciptakan solusi rantai pasokan yang unik untuk target pelanggan pilihannya. Didukung oleh 148 tahun keahlian di bidang transportasi dan logistik, Tugo telah memberikan pengalaman perjalanan terbaik, pergerakan produk dan kargo yang efisien, dan untuk mengkatalisasi pertumbuhan bisnis di pasar domestik dan internasional.
Asset of Tugo Express: 1. 9 vessels, 2. 10,619 container vans, 3. 495 reverse vans, 4. 100 ISO tanks, 5. 126 558 metric tons of cargo capacity. 6. 895 truck cases. 7. 1,400 transportation village. 8. 39,662 pallet portion. 9. 136 3,058 SKM container yard space. Networking of Tugo Express: 1. 48 warehouse, 2. 14 hubs, 3. 18 port of call, 4. 132 tier 135 SGM warehouse space, 5. 977 SGM hub space.